If you're walking down the right path and you're willing to keep walking, eventually you'll make progress. My fellow Americans, we are and always will be a nation of immigrants. We were strangers once, too. We proved that we are still a people capable of doing big things and tackling our biggest challenges. We proved that we are still a people capable of doing big things and tackling our biggest challenges. I'm a warrior for the middle class. In the end, that's what this election is about. Do we participate in a politics of cynicism or a politics of hope? That's the good thing about being president, I can do whatever I want. We need to internalize this idea of excellence. Not many folks spend a lot of time trying to be excellent. I mean, I do think at a certain point you've made enough money. What Washington needs is adult supervision. I think when you spread the wealth around, it's good for everybody. Issues are never simple. One thing I'm proud of is that very rarely will you hear me simplify the issues. I think same-sex couples should be able to get married. We want everybody to act like adults, quit playing games, realize that it's not just my way or the highway. I don't oppose all wars. What I am opposed to is a dumb war. What I am opposed to is a rash war. I'm the President of the United States. I'm not the Emperor of the United States. I just want to go through Central Park and watch folks passing by. Spend the whole day watching people. I miss that. We have real enemies in the world. These enemies must be found. They must be pursued and they must be defeated. We all remember Abraham Lincoln as the leader who saved our Union. Founder of the Republican Party.